going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Sorry I haven't posted recently. I've been finishing up finals. I'm in nursing school, so it takes up the majority of my day, and you know, it took me a while to put this bike together. I said I was going to show you step by step on how to, install the parts that you buy, but I didn't get any footage of that because of me studying for finals, and I was just hectic and busy. But I'm going to show you in this video of what parts I put on the bike in the stages that I did that. So without further ado, let's look at the final product. As you can see, this is the same bike, just different look. Now, the way this works is I'm going to tell you the stages that I did, what parts in those stages that I put on together, and how much they cost. And it'll be somewhere below here, and at the end of the video, I'll have a tally of how much this bike, with all the new parts, actually costs, with all the fees and whatnot. Okay, so stage one, and that was shocks, air cleaner, exhaust. Okay, so these shocks here came off a nitrane, black gloss with some chrome. The old shocks were so mangled up that we couldn't reuse them, and we used to have a Screaming Eagle exhaust here. I didn't like how long and drawn out the Screaming Eagle was, and this bike needed something more sporty than the Screaming Eagles. So I got these, not Vance & Hines, these are called American Power short shots. They sound exactly like Vance & Hines for half the dollar. I'm telling you, you need to look these up. I'll have the description below of where you can get these. The last thing in stage one was this air cleaner. This air cleaner was $30 off of eBay. It looks amazing. The quality of this is so spectacular. You guys can see all around that. Tons of air cleaners you can get. You don't have to get the Roland Sands, any of those for 400 bucks. You can just get $30 air cleaner. Looks so nice, sweet on the bike. Second set of modifications we did was new cables, because my cables were so destroyed and old. I got new grips, new mirrors, new brake and clutch. Okay, now these grips were $15. They work amazing. They have grip all up here, rubber grip. They slide off and on. You can untwist these. I have Loctite on them, so you can't do them now. And these I got for steel. The guy who I ordered the foot brake off of, just threw these in for a deal. I bought the foot brake and these together for $45 plus like $5 of shipping, and these mirrors cost me $10 off of Amazon. So like I said, guys, just very cheap parts, but they look amazing. They feel amazing. They work so nice. Okay, just little things like that. As for the third set of modifications that I did, I went with all of the lights. I had to get a new headlight. I want a new front and rear turn signal, so I'll go ahead and turn the key on, show you guys that. Okay, as you can see, this is all LED, all of it, okay? This whole assembly right here, just the headlight itself, is $30 off of Amazon. The halo comes with two different colors. You can have this white, or you can have an amber color. There's two different wires, whatever you want to hook up. From the same seller, but you bought it separate, this is $10. This headlight rack housing, as you can see, it's a little machined here. Fits in nice with the tone of the bike. $10. So for 40 bucks, you can have a new headlight and housing. That looks sweet. Front turn signals. These are $10 off of Amazon. $10 off Amazon. Turn these on for you quick. I see them, they're blinking. Then they get faster. If I go to the back here, $10 off Amazon. They're smoked. They come with the smoke blends and the amber lens, and they get faster as they go on. Tail light was off the old bike. I had, if you remember, I had the smoked lens on there. I have to take that off because there was something wrong with the LEDs inside of it. So I put this back on, and it works the same. I want to get that switched eventually, but for right now, it works pretty good. So for the fourth modifications, I wanted to get my front fender fixed. I wanted to get my tank fixed. I wanted to get my oil cover kind of mocked up. Now I seen this is an original design. I seen this off of the magazine that I was looking at. Some guy took a kind of a Sportster like this, I think it was a Night Train maybe, and he did the oil cover like this, and I'm like, wow, okay. Except he left these open. He didn't put a mesh behind it. They were just open. So I'm like, all right. So I went to Home Depot and got these metal plates, kind of. It comes in a sheet. You cut it to where you want it, and then all I did, guys, is I just right stuffed this on the back side. That's all it is, and it looks badass. I'm telling you right now, the smallest little details like that brings your bike out. Front fender was completely mangled. I got a new one. I bought it off of eBay. It cost me $45. The guy was selling it for. Looks good. I also got a spare rear fender. This is the original one. My spare's back there. I want to chop it and make it to about right here. I go a chop style because I have a solo seat here, but I have a pavilion for my girlfriend. She's gonna sit right to here, so I'm thinking, you know, chopped right here. It's gonna look sweet. Get rid of this big old ugly tail light, relocate the license plate holder, and it's gonna look badass. So for my fifth modification, that now we come into my seat and our paint job. Now when I tell you guys, this isn't a $1 million paint job. It looks $1 million, but this cost me $45 with a rattle can. All of this was done with rattle can. All right, I got this as a sticker. Okay, as you can see there, I customized this. I made it on the computer, customized it, got it as a sticker. A sticker cost me $5 to get it made and shipped to me. Same with the double B on the side. I'll show you that in a second. Okay, I sprayed the whole tank in satin rattle can, let it sit, let it cure for a couple days. Then I went straight to the mat, wet sanded it, went straight to the mat, and this is what you get. Sweet logo. It's got a little touch up that I need to do, but you know, that's in the future. And then we just went with the matte black all the way around. Little features all the way around. Same thing on the other side here. You see the Supreme Harley Davidson logo. And then down here on the battery cover is our Double B Motorsports logo. In the future, guys, maybe a merch. I don't know. Maybe a merch. We'll see how big this channel gets. For right now, the bike's settled. I'm gonna get it inspected on Tuesday. In the winter, we're gonna go and powder coat all of the chrome. It's all getting powder coated. The wheels are getting powder coated. Everything that's chrome. Maybe some things, maybe not. All right. But for right now, the bike looks sweet. Hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, these pipes are the same as Vance and Hines. They're just I don't want to say knockoff. They're just another version, okay? From American Power. I'm gonna have the link in the description below. I'm gonna turn these on for you guys so you can hear them fired up. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you for stopping by. Check my other videos out if you haven't already. We got some more coming. I have some time off now. We got some more videos coming up. I'm gonna show you the garage tour of all the bikes we have in here. This is getting worked on. This is a really big build that me and my father are working on. There's some 3 bikes back there. We got other bikes too, okay? So we're gonna be doing that. I'm gonna show you how to take a road course in PA. I'm gonna have the GoPro on my helmet, kind of show you around what's gonna go on. It's very easy day for you. After the day, I think it's 12 hours or so, then you get your license and you're ready to go, whatever you wanna do. If you already have your license and you wanna get more comfortable with riding, they have 8-hour courses, 6-hour courses, on the weekend, not on the weekend. I'm gonna show you that. You know, they're gonna teach you how to scrape, they're gonna teach you how to do everything. But for right now, thanks for stopping by. Until next time, see ya.